Alright, so let's continue starting from question number 6. Okay, it says use a counting function in cell B2, which is here, to count the number of acid entries in the pH column, right, which is here. Now, the counting function basically counts the number of occurrence of something if a certain condition is met. That's why it's called count if. Alright? So in this instance, it wants to count how many times acid appears here, how many times alkaline appears here, and how many times neutral appears here. Right? So here we're going to start using the function. So equals to count if. Now it asks you for the range. Okay, the range is basically where you want to count how many times something appears. Alright, so naturally the range will be here. Okay, now before moving on, please make sure to lock the cell selection here, because if you don't do that and you use this field handler and you pull it down, what's going to happen is this one will actually go down as well, because that's called relative cell referencing. Okay, by locking it, it means absolute cell referencing. Alright, so followed by a comma, okay, and then the criteria. What is the criteria, or what is the thing that you want to count how many times it appears here? Okay, so naturally for this, you want to count acid, right? So click on acid. Now the reason why I did not use F4 or the absolute cell referencing on acid is because I want the field handler to be able to select alkaline when I pull the field handler down, right? So press enter, we're done. So what this counting function is going to do is it's going to go here and count how many times acid appears here. So naturally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, there you go. So next question, question 7, use a counting function in cell B3 to count the number of alkaline entries in the pH column. And question number 8, use a counting function in cell B4 to count the number of neutral entries in the pH column. Now, because you already have the function here, and because the second argument here is not locked, what you can do now is to just use the field handler to fill it in. So you will have the counting function that will help you to count the number of acid, alkaline, and neutral from the range of cells here. Alright, so let's move on to question number 9. Enter the following data into the model. P size 234, let's say 0.12, 0.4, 0.795. Now, number 10. Format these 3 cells as currency in pounds sterling to 2 decimal places. So same thing, highlight these 3 cells, right click, go to format cells, and go to currency, decimal places 2, and search for the symbol pound sterling here. Alright, this is what you'll get.